December 30th, 2019. That took down my fence. Lovely. This one got uprooted. And this one just simply snapped. Thank God my horses were not standing under here when this came down. Because that could have caused some serious injuries. This is a substantial tree that fell. It broke my fence, so I need to attend to this. This is gonna need a chainsaw. This little guy doesn't look very happy either. So heavy with ice that it's completely bended out of shape. Another tree that came down, a top broke off. These trees, when they come down like this, can easily kill. And another one. Total miracle that it didn't kill the fence. I'm trying to set up my camera, but everything is super slippery. These trees are very weak, and with an ice load such as this, they break off. We realized this when we came here in the late summer, and we decided to do a big cleanup in the fall. Carla and John were concerned with this as well, because as you can tell, their house is sitting right next to this woodlot, and trees have already come over their fence, destroying their property at previous ice storms. So Jeff and I, with the help of our neighbors and the help of my mom and my children, worked for weeks in this area, doing the best we could with what we had at hand to clean it up, the mess that was left from previous ice storms, and also to take down the most dangerous trees so that nobody could get hurt in the future, and that no property on the other side of the fence could get damaged. Another thing that we did, because we realized that no matter how much work we had spent in here, it was still a very dangerous place. So we fenced the horses out. And thank God my fence didn't survive, but my horses did. So it's knowing what happens before what happens happens. That this tree didn't destroy this fence is an absolute miracle. This could have easily taken out this fence altogether. It didn't. That's a heavy load for a tree to bear, even a healthy tree. And unhealthy trees, such as these, just don't survive. I better get out of here. It's melting, but trees could still come down, and I don't want to be standing here when they do. But this is why we fenced out the horses. We knew this could happen, and we didn't want to put our horses at risk. This was all damage. This was here before. That was also a top that broke off. That one is old, from previous ice storms. I'm very, very pleased with how my fences stood up. The Ritchie is working just dandy, so that's nice. It is December 30th, 2019, and we are still dealing with this guy's neglect. I'll leave this one because it's not in my usual line of sight. Good girl.